Former Goldman Sachs banker Roger Ng pleaded not guilty to criminal charges linked to the 1MDB scandal in a New York court Monday, just hours after he was extradited to the US. The 51-year-old former managing director at the bank was charged in both Malaysia and the US of the 1MDB fraud, with a US indictment against him includes charges of conspiracy to commit bribery and conspiracy to commit money laundering. Ng's attorney, Mark Agnifilo, said there were no active plea negotiations and that his client would consider all options after a judge said the two sides were in plea talks. He was granted bail after paying $1 million in cash for a $20 million bond. Ng faces home detention with electronic monitoring. Attorney General Tommy Thomas said Ng's return to the US is a temporary surrender as he would be brought back to Malaysia to face charges after US prosecutors have completed their case. Huge sums of public money were stolen from State Fund 1MDB and used to amass a trove of personal riches in a scheme allegedly overseen by former Premier Datuk Seri Najib. Goldman's role is under scrutiny because the Wall Street Bank helped arrange $6.5 billion in bonds for 1MDB. Malaysian authorities accuse former employees in some of the bank's subsidiaries of stealing $2.7 billion in the process, and investigators believe cash was laundered through the US financial system.